The moment they said like काम्या अच्छा खाना खिलाने वाली है, उसे हाँ ये वाला इंटरव्यू करना चाहिए.
We're building the appetite.
It's so built right now that
Oh,
I'm
is it?
really hungry.
Can I have that?
Are we doing dessert or not?
Really?
Yeah. भगवान का वरदान है इनको कि आप जो भी खाएंगे आपको कुछ नहीं होगा. She can put like 3 guys to shame. Sindhi people have this strange myth. अगर आपने देगड़े से खाया तो आपके शादी पे बारिश होगी.
These girls are having a blast today. Butter chicken, dal makhni, naan. यहाँ पे 8 नान आए थे, सारे खत्म हो गए.
Wow, we have that potential.
Yeah.
Ever said yes to a role just because of the co-star?
Yeah. I hate going into the pity party space where like, you know, I deserve more.
Basically, you move on very quickly then?
It just happened while we were shooting that we developed a genuine bond where it was not a fake bond. We were very comfortable in each other's presence physically, and they were very hard days.
You need to understand why it didn't work out, and I'm sure that a lot of times there's very good reason for it to not work out.
आज की संडे ब्रंच में we are meeting two gorgeous girls. Meet the stunning Tamanna Bhatia, known for her grace, charm and killer style. And here's the fabulous Diana Fenty, always bringing positivity and sparkle wherever she goes. And with them, I'm not only upgrading my girls' day out on Sunday brunch, but also my tech game with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 series, a super slim, ultra-powerful tablet with a massive AMOLED display, seamless AI-powered tools for sketching, writing, and real-time advice. Ultra-fast performance and multitask made effortless with Samsung DeX. And wait, that's not it. It's also built in with Gemini Live. Now you can talk to Google Gemini about anything you see. Simply long press the side button to get started and share your screen with Google Gemini to ask for any advice. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 5 series, let's raise a toast for Tamanna Bhatia and Diana. Hello girls, welcome to Curly Tales.
Thank you.
Both of you are looking so gorgeous.
Thank you.
Okay, so tell me, if we were not shooting और आज अगर हमारा girls day out होता, what would we be doing?
Similar to what we're doing,
Yeah.
I'd probably go out for lunch.
It's more like evenings because everyone's done with work
Yeah.
or whatever they need to do in the day. So I'm excited about today because at the moment they said like काम्या अच्छा खाना खिलाने वाली है, उसे हाँ ये वाला इंटरव्यू करना चाहिए.
आज हम सिर्फ खाने के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. We are actually going to eat.
I believe, which
I
is what
have
I'm
skipped
excited about.
breakfast, just
Oh,
letting you know,
okay.
so that I've made enough room for a lot of lunch.
We're building the appetite.
Building it, yeah.
Okay.
It has just, it's so built right now that
Oh,
I'm
is it?
really hungry. Just putting it out there.
आपके अपने specific neighborhoods में आपके कौन से favorite joints हैं?
I actually really like O Pedro, which is in BKC. I really like Bombay Canteen, which is I think the same. They're the same owners, but I really like the Indian fusion that they do. The Bombay Canteen. वो तो इनके इलाके में है. But I really like these two restaurants.
I love the table.
Okay.
I feel like I just keep going back there. Every time there's a plan for dinner or lunch, it ends up being at the table. And I really need to now start going to other places as well. And I love Coco
Okay.
for Asian, Izumi
Actually, I really like
for-
Izumi also.
for Japanese.
yeah.
And there's a new Japanese restaurant in town now called Otoki, which is also great.
But tell me, you guys get time to, actually go out with friends and chill, given your schedule and.
Yeah.
But how is it? Given that Tamanna, you started working so early,
Yeah.
and most bonds are formed when you are young.
मतलब जब वेले होते जब वो कुछ काम नहीं होता तो सब जब वेले होते हैं तब वो जाके दोस्त
पर आप तो वेले हुए ही नहीं तो दोस्ती कब बनी?
but
She's
नहीं,
never
बने.
Vela. ever in life. Even if she is, she'll make sure she makes a plan to work on that day. Oh my god, it's Sunday, then everybody's taking off. I need to find a job to do.
No, the thing
I
is,
cannot
I
sit at
can't
home.
work on Sundays because nobody wants to work.
But
with
you
me.
still find something to do, na? Have you ever sat? When was the last time you sat at home on a Sunday doing nothing?
I sit at home only because nobody's coming to work. I have to sit on Sundays at home. But the shoot was
It's like
like
it's like punishment for to
Yeah.
not do something.
I still meet all my friends, and we actually now more than ever before. I think everyone's at their busiest, but everyone's making that effort to meet. Like I recently remember we all just हम सब किसी के घर पे थे and हम लोग last minute तक contemplate कर रहे थे कि सबको बाहर जाना था लेकिन एक person को बाहर नहीं जाना था. So we were like ठीक है, you know, we were being nice to that one person. But then at the end it was Saturday night.
Okay.
So of course Saturday is more fun and you
Yeah.
know it's going to be an amazing scene. So then we finally ended up at Bastion and we had a great time. Yeah, we danced, we partied, we came back and ate some tiramisu. So
Nice.
yeah, it was a fun night.
Love
Place.
to chill when I'm not at work. I mean, it's not like I can live my whole life chilling because then I would really want to just shoot myself. But you know, when you have a really hectic schedule and then you get that one day off,
Yeah.
I really cherish that one day off. I will make sure I don't do anything on that day. Honestly, sit at home and do nothing and enjoy it. Feels like it's earned.
Yeah. I also get
That's-
very restless, to be honest.
I can just sit in my pajamas on my favorite couch, staring at the ceiling, daydreaming, sitting with my dog, kissing my dog. then I'll say, okay, what should I do next? Should I put the TV on? I put the TV on, then I don't feel like watching TV. Put the TV off, daydream some more. I love it. I can just like do that thing.
But even I used to be that person back in the day where I would like that one day. But now I don't care for it. Progressively become worse.
अच्छा तो आप सोबो हैं,
Yes.
South Bombay girl, and you're a suburban girl.
Suburban.
So if you can just tell me, जब आप पहली बार मिले थे, you know, what was your first impression of her, and same for you.
I always met her socially. Always had very like nice,
Minimal
very
conversation,
minimal
yeah.
conversation.
Yeah. Pleasantries.
Very,
Hi, how
yeah.
are you? How are you? Bye.
I knew she's a tad bit like reserved, and I am little बातूनी. तो normally वो work होता है कि एक बंदा बातूनी होता है और एक बंदा थोड़ा सा काम रहता है. Someone is like compensating for each other. But actually, when I met her, I realized she is also very chatty. The
Yeah.
moment she opens up, then she's very chatty. It just happened while we were shooting. We developed a genuine bond where it was not a fake bond. Like
Yeah.
whatever it was a very honest thing. So whether we were comfortable about something or uncomfortable about something, it was always very real. That's how we managed 50 days continuously. And they were very hard days, extremely hard days of shoot because we were trying to shoot 8 episodes in 50 days, which I think is a very, very ambitious idea. But I think we managed that because we both were just, you know, we both were calm and composed about the whole activity, and also we were really supportive of each other.
And when you go through hard days together, I feel like you really bond without trying to bond. But it's
Yeah.
just one of those things that happens because you're both going through the same thing, right?
Right.
When I first met her, I was it's like, oh, she's a live wire. You know, that was my first impression. Like super chatty and bubbly, and you know, this very nice energy, which was great because, like she said, it compensated for my quietness.
I saw one fun Instagram reel where you are revealing some details about
Yeah.
her which most people don't know.
Yeah.
तो और भी कुछ ऐसा है that most people don't know about her that our audiences should know.
Like she really can eat. Like she can put like 3 guys to shame.
Really?
She has a great.
I've always been.
Look at that confidence. Yes, I can.
yeah. She can really like. Please size पे मत जाओ. She
हाँ.
can really like eat big. So I always thought I was that person who loved food and I ate a lot.
Yeah.
But when I met her, I realized कि मतलब she's a step ahead of me also. So that's also another reason to bond because food really brings people together.
Oh yeah, and I remember also in the first few weeks, first week or 10 days, we were shooting in Mud Island, which is for me it's
Yeah,
like a
it's
2.5
Kala to
hour
Mud Island,
trek.
yes.
And she used to very sweetly get me ghar ka khana. Like it, like she had made her way to my heart in that first 1 week only, because she used to get me like Sindhi curry and chawal and like what was the aloo?
Aloo tuk.
Aloo tuk.
Oh,
And yeah, it was too sweet. Yeah.
So nice. She's
So we
fed
really
you with
bonded
good
on-
Sindhi food. Has
Yeah.
she fed you with some Parsi food or not yet?
You did actually once.
yeah.
It was really good.
What did
And
you-
I, to be honest, I've schooled in Manekji,
Oh, right.
which is a Parsi school.
Yeah.
But I don't know how come I hadn't tried those dishes. It was just like in Blue Mind. There were some cutlets you had got. I
Yeah,
still
yeah.
remember. They were damn nice.
Chicken cutlets.
They were chicken cutlets. Yeah, they were damn good.
Let's fire up your imagination. Let's play a fun game. Using AI Copilot feature on my Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360, हमने regular street food dishes को एक fancy Michelin style description दिया है. I'm going to read that out and you both have to compete against each other and guess which dish is it.
Okay.
And the images are going to be displayed on my brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra.
A golden spiced fritter tucked in a soft toasted milk bun, topped with vibrant garlic powder and fresh green chutney, served roadside, wrapped in paper with charm of monsoon drizzle in the air.
Vada pav.
Okay, there you go, vada pav. Golden spirals of fermented batter drizzled with saffron syrup and shining like warm
Oh.
bangles,
Mm.
served in a brass plate alongside a steaming clay cup full of comforting nostalgia.
Jalebi.
Jalebi, yeah.
So you have to compete against each
Oh,
other.
sorry.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, but even
Maybe
I knew
always
it's
a team.
jalebi, Yeah.
A soft puffed bread with a golden crust served alongside a rich smoky stew of spiced lentils topped with fresh onion rings and bright citrus slices.
Pav bhaji.
No.
No, chole
Oh,
bhature.
chole bhature.
This one
Did
was
you say
hard.
pav? I thought you said pav.
Bread. Bread.
Oh,
Puffed
I
bread.
took bread seriously.
Yeah.
Badi confusing tha.
Soft lentil dumplings resting in chilled yogurt drizzled with tangy tamarind and fresh mint.
Dahi bhalla.
Dahi
Dahi vada, I was
Dahi vada, yeah.
Same thing?
Same thing,
Oh.
same. Crispy semolina balls filled with tangy syrup and spiced mashed center served on a steel tray like little portion shots. Each bite a perfect mix of tang and spice.
I don't know this.
Pani puri.
Wow.
Oh,
Yes. Tamanna is leading right now.
hey, hello. We were not even playing in the competing in the first two. Okay.
A spicy broth of sprouted lentils with crunchy toppings served with buttery bread rolls and a wedge of lime, radiating bold street side flavor and warmth. ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता.
Sprouted lentils is moong. Something moong or what? Bread rolls. Okay, very confused.
It's some kind of soup. Oh, like misal pav.
Misal pav.
अब मुझे भूख लग रही है सब ऐसे नाम पढ़ के.
A golden crisp pastry dome broken open to reveal a colorful mix
Raj
of
kachori.
chutney. Oh yes, क्या बात है. Soft steamed dumplings with neat plates filled with rich savory flavors and
Momos.
served. Yes. A flaky layered wrap charred to perfection and rolled around spiced protein or paneer.
Frankie. I'm really impressed at the fact that both of us really know our street food.
Yes. I am also very, very impressed by the two of you, and you guys deserve a good Sunday brunch.
I eat in the most ungraceful manner.
We both are like that.
So-
I don't think we both eat very femininely.
Yeah,
if
not
that's
at
your thing.
all.
I don't know how can you eat feminine?
I don't know,
Eat
just like, you know,
femininely.
dainty, you know, I can't.
No, you don't have to be. इस show पर तो बिंदास go all out.
You know, like
What's that?
there is that it's not bad. It's nice. You want to try?
Yeah.
So
Are we using our fingers, please?
Yeah,
Like,
please go ahead.
there is that point when you're not normal hungry. You're like uncontrollably hungry, and then you start eating with both the hands. What happens to me? Like right now, I'm eating with two hands. I'm like eating one thing with two hands. Like
Do
normally
you-
एक हाथ से खाते हो ना?
हाँ.
ऐसे खाते हो.
हाँ.
I think there are these moments where I have no control and I'm like eating with two hands, and then that's when I know that I'm really hungry.
Do you also get very hangry?
Yeah. I
Who
think
does
so.
that? You.
and usually I'm very calm, but if I'm hungry and I haven't been given food, and then that time passes, you know, where like normal hunger time passes, then I just
Yeah.
get like I lose my shit.
I had my phases of being hangry,
Yeah.
but now I'm okay. I've also trained my mind to not be hangry.
Do you want me to mix the butter?
No, it's too much. इतना भी tasty नहीं होना चाहिए खाना.
So who's likely to order a dessert after a heavy meal?
Me. Have to
Yeah.
end with sweet. Otherwise, it's not a complete meal.
You are the more tikha person.
I'm the tikha person. I will end up eating. जैसे आपने जैसे मिर्ची आपने मिर्ची लाया है मेरे लिए.
Let's play a game then.
Go ahead.
Spicy confessions. मैं कुछ questions पूछूंगी. अगर उसका जवाब हाँ है, so you have to take a bite.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Oh, but I want to take a bite anyway. Hold on.
You have to take a bite of the chili. ये तो आप खा ही रहे हैं, which is good.
Never met actors like this, like shamelessly eating away the food.
I love
And not interested in her interview. We're like, आपने हमें खाना खाने बुलाया, हम खा रहे हैं.
Imagine they've called us only to eat on camera and say no words.
But I swear I've been on a diet and I've just seen people eat because it makes me feel like better because I can't eat. So I'm like, at least I can see people eat. You can actually put your food in your plate and eat like other normal people do.
When you're really hungry.
Not eating from the degda.
Degda.
Also, okay, you're Sindhi, right? Is
Such
there
a Sindhi word, degda. Have you heard of that word?
Sindhi people have this strange myth, okay? अगर आपने देगड़े से खाया तो आपके शादी पे बारिश होगी. ऐसा आपने सुना है?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं सुना. मेरी शादी में बारिश नहीं. I know, right?
This is what I was told as growing up as a child. I think they were just preventing kids from eating from the degda. They were like, अगर आपने ऐसे खा लिया तो फिर आपके शादी पे बारिश होगी.
And then you stopped eating. आज आपने खाया है straight from देगड़ा.
Yeah, so
आपकी शादी पर बारिश होगी. अच्छा, तो दोनों अपने पास एक एक ग्रीन चिली भी ले लो.
No, I'm not
I
doing
have,
green
मैं तो आधा खा
chili.
चुकी.
I'll die.
Really? इतना तीखा नहीं है.
नहीं? Okay.
नहीं, तो
Then
मैं
I'll try.
अगर if you want to give the answer, then you don't have to have. If you want to skip, that's when you have to take a bite of your chili.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, have you ever signed a film and instantly regretted? And be honest, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ever said yes to a role just because of the co-star?
Yeah.
Ever had a director or a producer ask you out?
No.
Have you ever ghosted a brand endorsement offer after a meeting?
No.
Not ghosted.
Never. I'm actually very committed to my brands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to be professional about things. So.
Just in general, ghosting or confrontation,
Yeah.
what do you prefer? Or would you rather sit down, have a chat?
I would have a chat.
I have a chat.
Yeah, both of
In
you.
a non-confrontational manner.
Ever walked off the set because of ego clashes?
People have walked off while I'm there. And I laugh.
Really? Give details, no Tamanna.
I'll just tell you, I was shooting a song once and I just refused to do a certain step fully. Like I said, I want to do this, but I think it'll look nicer like this. Choreographer left the
Building?
left the set. And I was laughing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm attempting this.
Can I have that?
What, this?
Yeah.
कितने महीनों की ये तमन्ना या तपस्या रही है?
I think it's been 8 months.
Really?
Yeah.
And I'm so glad.
Ow.
ये 8 महीनों की ये एक strict diet Sunday brunch पर तोड़ी जा रही है.
For once feels like the right thing at the right time.
And it's work, right?
And it's work. And
It's work.
I'm being dutiful.
Absolutely. Good job.
Part of my job.
Yeah.
I've been called her. I'm only performing duties.
Absolutely.
So hot.
Ever given a fake excuse to skip a film's promotion? Okay.
ऐसा promotion होगा तो who will
I
not
love
enjoy?
these kind of promotions. The other
Like,
ones can
लेके
get
चलो.
taxing.
Have you ever binged watched your own movie or series?
Yeah. I have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like yourself on screen या ऐसा कभी-कभी लगता है यार not like this. I should
No.
have done something better.
Not always. I mean, I mostly don't like actually. I think there are few times when I'm like, oh, wow, अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah, same.
That happens sometimes.
I'm way too critical of myself, I've realized. I'll always see something later and then say, I should have done that and I could have done it this way, and if I had done it this way, it would have been better, and full dialogue goes on there. Analysis and...
Have you ever turned down a role that later became a hit?
Yeah. It was a South film, so I don't know if you know of it. It was with Kajal and Prabhas ended
Yeah.
up doing it long ago. that had come to me.
Tell me, if there's one dish that you could eat every single day of your life. क्या
Dosa.
होगा वो? Really?
And medu vada. And maybe biryani.
Don't you already eat that? Almost
Yeah,
every second day?
Really?
Every day on
तो
set.
क्या आप workout करते हो? Like what is it?
भगवान का वरदान है इनको
Hmm.
कि आप जो भी खाएंगे आपको कुछ नहीं होगा.
Up to a point. I'm waiting for that point.
That point will never happen, baby.
It might, you know.
One dish that you can have like for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
I have to say poha. It's one dish I feel like even if it's given to me at dinner, I might be able to eat it. And it's a breakfast item.
Is there a specific way the poha that you eat is made, or
The regular good poha, like,
With chili and dhania. And
not very, like, actually the plain poha, you know, when there's not too many things in it.
Aloo
The
has to be there in
Aloo,
poha.
aloo should be there.
and singdana peanut?
That's fine. So I, in the middle, started doing a lot of sprouts and poha. That's another thing that Luke had really made me do a lot of because and I wanted to lose weight. So if you balance it off with sprouts in it, it's actually really good for you. So you're eating sprouts and you're eating poha together.
But cooking आती है आप दोनों को?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Not at all.
Not to save my life.
कुछ कुछ एक कोई dish.
When lockdown happened, I actually cooked very, very well. But उसके बाद I just left it.
When lockdown happened, I learned to make rice for the first time.
Yeah.
Even that I followed one recipe. My phone would be there. So many cups of rice, okay. So many cups of water, okay.
So in the show, I saw the trailer, and you both are getting into the startup world. So have you all actually been entrepreneurs in your real life? You come from a business family, in fact.
My
And-
father's been a jeweler for many, many years.
Yeah.
I am I'm also entering the world of entrepreneurship. For me, this show was very, very fun because I think the kind of research that went into doing a show which is this fun, I think I enjoyed it more because of that. Because we gave some really serious information very, very nonchalantly.
So what's the startup all about? What is it that you all are doing?
We're
Making a craft
making
beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're making a niche craft beer. We believe it has mass appeal. Because it's very rooted in Indian. The recipe is something that I have, and she's the finance head because she's the financial whiz. We both are best friends.
Yeah.
She's fed up with her job. I'm kicked out. But I think we are both in that circumstance in life where we are like, it really can't get worse. So we are like, okay, this is one thing that we truly love doing, and we know we understand it. The most interesting, insane things that happen on the way while we are trying to, make this business.
Otherwise, are you like a big risk taker or a safe player? Or
No, I'm mostly a safe player. I don't know why, but I've always been like that. I choose my battles, wisely, I would like to say. I also wanted to add that because we're also best friends in the show and we've known each other for years, I think it was one of those very natural, organic things to start a business together because it felt like it would be less effort.
Yeah.
Because we already knew our strengths and weaknesses, where we come from. I knew her thought process, she knew mine as characters in the show.
Yeah.
So it just becomes that much more easy to partner
Yeah.
with each other.
Yeah.
That whole myth of best friends should not do business together, I think we kind of smashed that.
Smash that. Yeah. But in the show, but what do you think about real life? Do you think two best friends can be two great business partners also?
I think that's a great, I would do that. It's just that my friend doesn't want to do business with me. But she rejected my proposal. But I would do it with my best friend.
So today we are at Common House Brewery. And tell me how much do you all know about beers? Can you all identify it by the color, kaise bana hai, kisse bana hai and all?
I don't drink.
Okay.
And she does.
I drink, occasionally. And I remember when I was in college, we used to drink a lot of beer. So I'm familiar. But not that familiar. Like, I'm not some connoisseur that I can see it. And besides, like, a Guinness that I can see and know exactly what it is, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't be able to differentiate one beer from another.
But here, you all have chosen beer as a subject. And you also mentioned beer ka naam sunte hi ekdam vacation vibes aa jati hain. What is it that's vacation vibe for the two of you?
What is
For me, it's the
vacation
beach.
vibe? Oh, that way.
Like the idea of going to a beach is vacation. And I think normally, whenever I do want to have a vacation, it's always next to the water.
For me, it's exactly the opposite. I'm not at all a beach person. I love the mountains. Love the mountains. It just gives me this peace that nothing else can give me. See, we're chalk and cheese, but
Yeah.
it works. It works.
What do you think is the single most important factor to run a successful business?
I think execution, right? Like the ability to create an ecosystem that works without you constantly having to look into every minute detail, like
Yeah.
creating systems. I think that's
You
a very
already sound
critical-
like an entrepreneur, you know that.
She is, no?
Yeah, but I am also.
How do you dabble between acting as well as entrepreneurship?
Both are very natural extensions to me. I haven't chosen these professions because I was after the fame or the money. But I think both are byproducts of what I wanted to do. And while this sounds very, I don't know what this will sound like, but I truly think that somewhere behind films and businesses, there has to be a sense of service. In the sense that when we make movies, we don't make movies for ourselves. It's not like मैं film बनाऊंगी और मुझे देखना है. I have to make movies जो सब देखें, जो लोग देखें. And similarly, I feel like if you pick up a business and if your only goal is not to make money, I think it should definitely have some problem solving quality to it. And something that feels like it adds value to someone's life. And I think that's been a very critical thing for me, even whether it's been movies or entrepreneurship.
Diana, you can have butter chicken and dal also.
मैं खा गई, मैं सारा खा गई, छोड़ा नहीं उसके लिए. I'm sorry.
नहीं है अभी भी you can have. She's been having plain naan.
No, I've
Because
got
I finished the damn thing.
I've just taken 3 helpings of this.
Guys, I love you all. ऐसे ही guest चाहिए जो खाना
And I'm
खाए
like,
और खत्म करे.
Can she please continue talking so that I can just continue
But
doing my
tell
thing
me,
here?
do people come and eat or they
Not
act?
everyone. Not everyone.
I'm also eating because I can.
In the show, I've seen that how you all are pitching, right?
Yeah.
To get investors. But what about acting career? Have you all ever had to pitch yourself as an actor?
I mean, yeah. In one of the forms to do it is an audition.
Yeah.
And I've auditioned a few times. I auditioned for my first film, in fact. There are a lot of people that don't like giving auditions.
Auditions, yeah.
But I find that so silly because it's important for the maker to know your potential, what you can do, whether you're able to bring to the character what he is expecting of you. It's important for you to know what this character is about and what the maker is expecting of you. And I just think that an audition is the best way to figure that out for both parties.
And then ever
Before
got-
getting into this long-term commitment,
Right.
where then one party is regretting it or both are.
Yeah.
So it's just so much nicer to, not that I'm saying I'm dying to do auditions every day, but I'm just,
Yeah, but it
clarifying.
has its place.
Yeah.
It's needed in many ways.
When
But
it's
what about
required-
rejections? How common is that? Now you guys have, of course, achieved a stature in the industry,
Yeah.
but what about rejections? Does it still bother you, or have you been rejected off late? I don't know.
Maybe not off late, but
Yeah.
yeah, definitely. Like in life, there are many times you do feel you don't get the opportunity you think you deserve. But I feel like when that happens, it's a genuine. It's good to check whether it is completely circumstantial or it has something to do with you, because inevitably it has something to do with you. I hate going into the pity party space where I
Yeah.
deserve more and I should be getting better work. I'm like, no, you work towards getting better work. You get better and then you get better work.
Yeah, but basically you
I
move
think-
on very quickly then, and not like
No, but I
being
think
that
rejections
state.
are a great place to learn.
Yeah.
Because you need to understand why it didn't work out. And I'm sure that a lot of times there's very good reason for it to not work out.
These girls are having a blast today. Butter chicken, dal makhni, naan. यहाँ पे 8 नान आए थे, सारे खत्म हो गए.
Wow, we have that potential.
Our
मैं गिन
reputation
नहीं रही थी,
precedes us.
but just saying. Do you guys want more?
No, I think we're good.
Next time.
Next, okay. So we have a fan interaction call. Okay, one of our Curly Tales follower would love to do a call with you
Yeah.
on our Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360. So here you go.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Kaustubh.
Hi.
How's it going?
So I am really a very big fan of you both. If you could swap any of your characters in your life, so who would it be and why?
I think I would say Happy from Happy Bhag Jayegi. It would be quite
Yeah.
fun to be this Mufat.
But are you that?
I know, that's
You are
why I
not,
would love
yeah.
to swap and be her in real life and
Yeah.
not just on screen and see how the world treats me.
So I did a show called Aakhri Sach, where I play like a cop, and of course I'm solving a murder mystery. Yeah, I'd like to be a cop that solves murder mysteries. I don't know.
Any best co-actor you have ever worked with?
I have to say Diana because she's sitting next to me,
Correct answer.
and if I don't
if she
say
didn't
it,
say that, yeah.
तुम्हारे कॉल के बाद तुमको तो कुछ नहीं होगा, but मुझे ना और कुछ दिन बिताने हैं इसके साथ.
Now I have to
Yeah.
also say the same thing, no?
No, you can say Vicky Kaushal. I'll be okay.
Is that so? Is that the
No,
right
no.
answer?
I've had a lot of good, fun co-actors actually. Tammy is definitely one of them. We've had a blast on this show. Abhay and Ali from Happy. They were also great fun. Saif and Deepika from Cocktail.
It was nice having a call with you too.
Thank you so much,
Same.
Kaustubh.
Good
Please
afternoon.
watch.
Do you
Do
want
you
Do
want
You
a
Want a
partner?
Partner? Not Curly Tails. I was going to say Curly Tails.
also curly tails, no?
Yeah,
Not
watch Curly Tails. Curly Tails तो हम सभी देखते हैं. आप देखेंगे, हम भी देखेंगे. हम तो देखते ही रहते हैं. हम खुद भी audience है.
Watch
Please watch Do You Want a Partner
On the 12th
on the
of
12th of September on Prime Video.
Prime Video.
खाने
We
के
are
बाद
actually-
नींद आना शुरू हो जाता है ना.
हाँ, अभी you have a long.
I'm feeling very relaxed. I'm just like अभी मुझे couch चाहिए. Couch भी है.
No, but girls, this was so much fun,
It was. Thank you.
and I hope you all enjoyed your meal.
Did you look at us?
I was
Forward.
struggling to get your attention
Yeah,
towards
like,
me.
Please talk.
I have only 45 minutes with you all, so please talk. मैं बाद में खा लूंगी.
Thank God for Tamanna. I was just like, she's doing the talking. Let her continue talking.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And I'm looking forward to Do You Want a Partner. I'm
Yes.
100% sure I'm just going to finish this show in like 2 straight days.
Please.
I hope
Hopefully, so 8 episodes, right?
Yes.